Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKTO. We will take a look at the 60-minute chart. This is the third one I've done on this one in about the past week and a half. The previous couple were on the 30-minute chart, but I wanted to move up to the 60-minute chart just because we've been starting to get a bit more data, and I think it does a better job of showing what's been going on. But really, in a nutshell, just a monster of a chart. And the daily chart remains pretty useless, but in a good way. When I say useless, all you can really tell is big move up, consolidation, big move up, consolidation, big move up, and really that's all you can extract from it. A couple other things, but I think for more of the details and what seems to have been working is these intraday looks. So again, the daily chart is pretty useless, but I mean that in as bullish of a way as possible. So we're going to drop back down to the 60-minute and take the analysis from there. So these lines you can see were from the last time I did it on the 30-minute chart. These were the support levels, as you can see. If we extend these out, whoops, let's try that again. You can see that the price did drop down and found support right in the zone that I talked about. Never even back tested these, so good job of that support holding. While they are still supports, I don't want to clutter up the chart too much, so we'll just get rid of these. And you can see that the price did break above here, came back down, back tested it, and then bounced just like a nice little breakout does. So a good little example of a breakout back test of the resistance line, and then continue to move upward. So where do we stand currently? Well, then one kind of wave, if you will. So if you want to picture a surfer, the wave that the stock seems to be surfing is right here at this 20-period simple moving average. Ever since the big move out here, every time it's gone down here, there has been one close above there, or excuse me, below there, with another one close there, but you can get the point. Every time the price comes down, it seems to find support before heading back up, and so on and so forth. So just multiple examples here. Bounced, hung around here, bounced, hung around here, and bounced. So this seems to be the big wave that the price has been riding. Right now that's valued at 0.028, but this is a dynamic level of support. So as time goes by, this level will change since it's a moving average. Another level to keep an eye on support-wise is up here at 0.036. That's based on the 10-period simple moving average. A couple static levels of support, meaning they do not change as time changes. In the shorter term, right here at 4 cents, this would be the ideal level, meaning ideally this would be the great level to see hold. That would make the chart look the strongest, but by no means is this a must-hold level or anything like that. You can see it's been doing a great job though. Pretty much the newest level of support that's been put in is going to be down here at 3 cents. That's its previous high from back here on March 19th. And like I said, that is right there at 0.033 cents. I'm going to make that line a little bit thicker because it is more of an important level of support. But at the end of the day, as long as this guy down here holds a 50-period simple moving average, right now valued at 0.018, then the overall context is going to remain very much so in the hands of the bulls. I know what you're thinking. Who would want to see it drop all the way down to below 2 again? But think about it. If it were to drop down there, find some support, and then head back up, this set of lows would still be higher than this set, which would still be higher than this set. So then when we would go to draw the trend line, we would still be able to draw that uptrend line, and that's the name of the game, uptrend. So that's why that moving average down there is so important. Resistance-wise, about as straightforward as it can get. Since the chart's essentially in blue sky breakout territory, the profit taker stepped in today right at 0.0499, so up there at a nickel is just the current level of resistance. Going to leave that line skinny because with another volume surge, I don't see this putting up much of a fight at all. But all in all, a great looking chart, probably one of the biggest monsters in a while that the market's seen. So the penny market, that is, at least. But overall, great looking chart. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you sign up, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was SKTO. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.